Today is going to be a good day because we have a box full of donuts, so.
Oh my gosh, one bite?
Yeah?
That was impressive. I can't believe Jeff is actually trying to sell his rental property. He's not a real estate agent.
Yeah.
He's a contractor. We've worked together a lot.
But we haven't sold a rental property with him before. He has it listed at $350, and it's not even livable. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's been on the market for 33 days. It definitely needs a little bit of curb appeal.
Yeah, I agree. This all needs to be cleaned out.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hi. We brought you donuts.
Thank you.
Good. I like what you've done with the place. Welcome to my home. You may get splinters.
Yes. Come on in.
Oh my gosh.
You have no floors, dude.
So it's been a rental for a while. Thought I'd come through here, just spruce it up, rent it again. But I found some damage.
This
Yeah, holes in the walls,
To do this is
electrical.
like pretty intense.
I just want to get rid of it. So I just listed it, no interest. So I want your expert opinion.
I kind of knew you got your house trashed, but I didn't realize it was this bad.
It gets worse.
Oh my gosh. There is no kitchen sink and no hood. How much can you really pawn a sink off for?
I have no idea. No
They
dishwasher.
took the dishwasher.
So I rip out all the cabinets.
Why would you put that kind of money in here? You gotta remember, this is a rental pocket of Everett. Every house out these windows is being rented.
If we put in high-end materials, is the new owner going to get more for rent? No. We would suggest you paint these cabinets.
Really?
Absolutely.
I want to take a look at the deck.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this is awesome.
Probably the best part of the house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The valley and the mountains.
This is a huge selling point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now that I'm looking back at the house,
Yeah.
I don't know that this window is needed. That could be a whole wall that we now take advantage of.
Like if you took it up to like here, put chairs back against it, you
Sure.
could make that a whole seating area.
Right.
Let's go see the bedrooms and bath.
Master?
You don't even have window seals.
No.
I mean, how's the bathrooms?
Countertop and sink, they
Yeah.
tried to take it.
And how about the shower?
Terrible.
So let's just look at inexpensive flooring, inexpensive insert for the shower.
All right.
It would be incredibly easy for us to get out of control in this house.
Yeah. I could spend $100,000 in this house.
But we could also do 20,000 and it'd still be nice.
All the same things you have as far as the structure foundation.
Very nice.
So into the living
beautiful.
room.
Wow.
It looks really good.
We're taking in the fact that we've got some old here.
Right.
And one thing I'd point out in this room too is it's finished. In your house's living room, we'd want to patch the holes in the wall, add a fresh coat of paint, replace the light fixture, and lay down some new hardwood flooring since there currently is no floor in there.
Kitchen, it's fully finished, but we have laminates. We have nice cabinets, but nothing fancy. This area only warrants so much for your rent. The materials that we put in have to be comparable to how much you're gonna get on the rent in the house.
In your kitchen, we want to paint the wall and cabinets and replace the countertops. We'd also want to replace the sink and dishwasher that were stripped out.
Let's see the deck. You'll see they painted it. A little bit of staging to kind of show how to utilize it.
Yeah, this is great.
So on your deck, we'd sand it down and repaint it. Then we'd stage it to highlight its usability and that gorgeous view.
Let us do what we do.
Okay.
Let us put in $20,000 of our own money.
Okay.
Get us all the material you can for savings so we can make that $20,000 go as far as it can.
Okay.
Stretch it. If we invest $20,000 into renovation costs, we can sell it at $425,000.
Really?
Yeah.
For the $20,000, we're
Yeah.
gonna have to hit paint and flooring throughout the house. Then I'd like to update the master bath. In the kitchen, we'll repaint the cabinets, replace the appliances, and replace that huge window in the bonus area. Finally, I'd like to paint the deck and stage the whole house.
We're gonna then turn around and sell it at $425,000. We pay ourselves back the $20,000. That's still $55,000 in profit splitting that 50-50.
Okay, I'm in.
Awesome.
Okay, we'll send over paperwork to your people and my people.
Okay.
Shoot, I am my people. I'm your people.
That's true. Our team is removing all the damaged and dirty tiles throughout Jeff's property. Those old tiles really gave the house a cold feel. So we want to warm it up with some new flooring. We're tearing out the bathroom sink and shower units and removing all the damaged doors and trim. And because we need to keep our costs low, we're salvaging what we can. So we're keeping the hardwood flooring in the bedrooms since they were in decent shape. And we're updating the baseboards. Investors want a home that is attractive to renters but easy to maintain. So we're only targeting the biggest problem areas.
Before the guys get here, I'd love to pick out colors so that Jeff doesn't see what we're doing. We got some of our materials from Jeff's warehouse, which I love because that saves us money. But I don't know like your whole vision.
I want to go eclectic. You're gonna have to give me some freedom on this, and trust me, because we're gonna go outside our box here.
Outside our box, not outside our budget.
Okay. Okay. So I'm thinking of green, and we go with
I like those.
this one.
Yeah, I was thinking this.
I think this is too light. I think we need to go with something like this.
Okay.
We'll paint the hardware.
Okay.
We'll do a light countertop.
Yes.
Light backsplash.
Subway, cheap.
It's not cheap. It's
Inexpensive. I knew what you were gonna say.
And then as far as the fireplace goes, I'm thinking we go with grayish toned white.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna do one of these walls. I want really funky bold. Yes. Oh my gosh. What do you think of these warmer blues?
I love blue. All right, let's go.
While work continues at Jeff's property, we're pulling staging items from our storage unit. Since we're trying to keep costs down, we're using things we already own to make the house look fresh but eclectic. I found something good. You can mix in animal prints with eclectic.
You can also mix in one of those poop emoji pillows and say it looks good, but it doesn't.
I want to mix in some animal prints.
Okay.
Lots of fun colors.
And then maybe when we get in there, we'll realize that animal print was a really bad idea.
I don't think
and
we
we'll
will.
leave them in the bins.
Jeff's rental property is already looking much improved. We installed nice new bathtubs with subway tile surrounds that we sourced from Jeff's warehouse, which is going to give it a fresh, updated look for not a lot of money. We finally got the kitchen cabinets finished and painted them a funky shade of green. We installed white quartz countertops and some hardwood floors that were left over at Jeff's warehouse, which we got for free, so we only had to pay to have them installed. We also painted the fireplace a gray color that's going to give us an interesting modern contrast. And then I went a little wild and chose some bold colors for accent walls in one of the bedrooms and the living room. We hope our fun, eclectic design choices will make this house stand out to potential investors.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi. Good to see ya.
Are you excited?
I am. I'm super excited.
So it's just a lot cleaner, a lot more presentable.
I just wanted to get rid of this house.
We want to change your mind today to feel like, okay, well, maybe this was not the worst decision.
Yeah,
Jinx.
exactly.
Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Seriously. This fireplace looks amazing, guys.
We wanted to give something unique. When an investor's looking at this property, they can say, this is unlike any other investment out there.
That looks great.
Looks phenomenal. Okay, well, let's see the kitchen.
Oh my gosh. Dude, this is really nice.
Our goal was to keep our costs way down here so that we could get you as much money back as possible. So we kept these cabinets.
Love the green cabinets.
I do too. These look really good.
They look beautiful.
We were able to get these countertops at cost from our quartz contractor who we work with all the time. All of our backsplash we got in your warehouse. Our floors we got in your warehouse.
Oh, cool.
Lots and lots of savings.
What the heck? This house is like nicer than my house.
Okay, so let's go see the rest of it. One of the things we really tried to do is for either an investor or a homeowner, show them how they can use it. So we did the overhang on the bar top so that we had a kitchen with eating.
Yeah.
We added an additional seating area. Now we can market 2 living spaces.
Wow.
I feel alive, I feel alive, I feel alive, oh.
The master.
Floors are cool.
Kept our original floors.
The hardwood floors.
Yeah.
We just painted them.
Wow. It looks really good.
Staged with a king-size bed because we wanted to show this is a really good size room.
This is nice.
Yep. You tried to sell it $350, and we invested $20,000 into renovations. So after we put in the investment, we feel incredibly confident that we will be able to sell this to an investor at $425. So after we recoup our $20,000 investment, we would both make $27,500.
So I'm gonna actually make money on this thing?
You are.
You are.
Awesome.